What we wear is personal. It provides comfort, confidence, expression. When it comes to work, the right apparel can make a world of difference. Which is why when designing that apparel, it's all about a perfect fit. A flexible, collaborative partner. A vision that captures the heart and soul of the brand. And a final design that makes the wearer feel invincible. At Design Collective, we are the perfect fit apparel partner. Fashion-led, on-trend, and never satisfied. We work with leaders across a spectrum of industries to create apparel solutions that foster a sense of pride in their people. So when those people prepare for the day and look in the mirror, they don't just see a job. They see a connection to something bigger than themselves. This is the power of working with style.